Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Steve Breach coming to you here today. Today is Stock Talk for September 8th, 2020. Today was a battle. Today was really a hard fought, just getting in there with the muck of it and just squishing it through. Today I finished up $5. $5 up today. That's 0.04% return. Bringing my total return to 23%, 22.95. A lot of it was just sort of in that middle zone. Nothing really falling big, nothing really making big moves. But weird day, honestly, out there. Just stuff started just going up, going down, going up, going down. It was just sort of all over the board just to be there. We had NSPR, which I believe that's the cancer drug, if I remember right, that was supposed to hit back in July. Either that or CLSN, one or the other, was something that I bought in June that was supposed to hit big. Both of those were up. They haven't been up in a long time. NSPR was up 9%. At one point, it was up 20%. CLSN was up 5.5%. Both of those are big time losers for me. Both of those losing over half of the money that I put in there, honestly, to tell you the truth. Southwest Airlines was up 2 3/4. Spirit Airlines was up 2 3/4. JetBlue was up 2.5. Penn finished up 2% on the day. Disney was up 1 2/3. Luckin Coffee up 0.75%. Norwegian was up just over 0.5%. I didn't even say it. There was 3 things today that basically I put money into at the start of the day. I put a lot of money into Outback Steakhouse. Had a really, really big week last week. For me, that was something that I purchased because of Kevin O'Kevin. I put $1,000 honestly into it this morning. DraftKings, I put a couple more $100 into that with football coming back this week on Thursday. I honestly thought that was going to be big. And then GAN, partners with Penn, partners with a few other gambling companies, making those apps work. Penn, that app is going to launch week 2 of the NFL, I am told. So we are really, really close to Penn just getting a little bit more of a big push there for it. But GAN was up 1/3% today. Caesars was up 1/4%. Fastly was up less than 1/4. DraftKings might as well have been even 0.03%. Now, as we flip over and we look at the other side, we're going to look at see some restaurants right here. We had Cheesecake Factory down 1/4%. Dave & Buster's down 0.5%. WWE down 0.75%. Pfizer was down just over 1%. Carnival Cruise Lines was down 1 1/3. Outback was down almost 1.5%. MGM was down 1.5%. Tops was down 1 3/4. Cody Makeup Brands down 2%. We had RTX down 3%. We've got Boeing down 5 3/4. We've got Red Robin down 6.5%. IDEX down almost 7%. Mark down 7.5%. And Nokia down 8.5%. I did see a story about Nokia, honestly, this morning. They lost a deal to Samsung. And a lot of people thought that's where they were going to go. So Nokia, they still have a deal with Apple. They're not going to be the main maker of 5G. I guess you can say there's going to be some competition out there on the market. But I still see this one paying off because of the fact that, Apple, they get to sell a lot of phones. They ain't going nowhere. So we'll see what goes down with that. Peace out, everybody. A good day. And like I said earlier, we made $5 today, guys. Peace out.